Basketball practice. So proud of 2020 Kahoot 2021. So much snow. Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. Today is New Year's Eve, so I'm just going to spend all today preparing for the new year. Let's just get started with the video. I just filmed the part 2 for what I got for Christmas, and my floor is a mess. So I need to clean that up right now. While I'm doing that, I'm also going to go ahead and put away all of the Christmas stuff. It's really sad, but I think it is time to do it. So I have to put away my Christmas tree, change up my pillows, clean up my desk, and all that good stuff. My room feels so weird without all my Christmas decorations. Like there's nothing on the floor right here. My desk seems so empty. My bed looks completely different without the Christmas pillows. This all feels so weird. I'm gonna try and do some editing right now. I spent most of the morning editing, and right now I'm going up to school for basketball practice. We're going to be practicing today and tomorrow. Just be ready for games in the upcoming week. I got back from basketball not too long ago. I haven't eaten lunch yet, so I'm going to go make myself lunch. Also, a little bit ago, I changed my phone back from Christmassy to my normal home screen. I really love my current home screen, but I do kind of miss all the Christmassy stuff. What I made myself for lunch, we made crepes not too long ago, and on top of it, I put ham and cheese, and then when I roll it up, it'll be like a hot ham and cheese, and it's gonna be really yummy. Another thing that I've really wanted to start doing this year is bullet journaling. For Christmas, I got a bullet journal. This is what it looks like. It is from Erin Condren, and it is so cute. I've considered doing a bullet journaling video, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to update you all my bullet journaling in multiple videos. So today is the start of me bullet journaling. Some things that I want to start off with are I want to have like goals for the year. Then I'll have like a page for the month of January. And then I also want to have a page for like goals for January. I want to do a habit tracker, a workout tracker, and also kind of just like a planner for each week. So I'm going to get started with that. I just ate dinner and then watched the movie Safety with my family. I thought it was a really good movie. While we watched it, I worked on my bullet journal. I'm going to show you everything that I have so far. I'm nowhere near done with even like the month of January. But I just want to show you what I do have so far because I'm pretty proud of it. So here's the front. On the inside, I tried to pick colors that match these colors the words are in. Anyways, here's the first page. I didn't do anything on it. So the next page looks a lot cuter in my head. It doesn't actually look that cute on paper. Whatever, the pages after it look pretty cute. So this first page I'm so proud of. These are some of my New Year's resolutions / goals. Spend more time on self-care, become stronger and more flexible, start meditating, focus on gratitude, learn a new language, record 1 second of each day, spend more time outside, don't use phone 1 hour before bed, pick up new hobbies, and hit 10,000. I also wrote down how I'm going to try to achieve these goals. On the next page, I have a year at a glance, so it is all of the months, along with what days everything will fall on. Next, I have a Bible verse. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength, Isaiah 40:31, which is one of my favorite Bible verses, and I think I did it really cute. This next page, I'm not sure what I'm going to do on it yet. I'll probably do another Bible verse or inspirational quote or something. But next, I have the month of January. This is kind of the cover for it. I think this is so cute. And I want to do something kind of like this every month. Obviously, it won't be the exact same. But I thought this was so cute. That is all I have. I know what I want to do on the next pages, but it's going to take me a while. But I just want to show you what I had so far. Right now, my family and I are playing 2020 Kahoot. It is 10 o'clock right now. So we have 2 hours until the new year. Right now, I'm making some of these hot chocolate bombs. So once I have it made, it'll go in some warm milk and the chocolate will melt, and then hot chocolate mix and marshmallows will come out of the inside. While I'm doing that, me and my dad are watching Guardians of the Galaxy. We just counted down until midnight and it is now 2021! I'm going to go to bed now because I'm really tired. Good morning, guys. It is 10 o'clock and I just woke up. I'm always saying it never snows where I live, but we just got so much snow. This winter has been like the snowiest in years. Anyways, I'm gonna go make breakfast and then get started with my day. Here is my breakfast. Right now, I'm going to edit for a little bit, and then I have a whole list of things that I want to get done today. I want to work out, stretch, spend some more time working on my bullet journal, and then just see what else I have time for. Okay, I'm going to go work out. I usually film myself working out, so I'm not going to do that today because I do that a lot. But today's a lifting day. I just worked out and I feel pretty great. I'm really hungry now though because it is 1. And since I lifted today, I need to get some protein. So I'm just gonna eat some of this meat and cheese we have in the fridge. I'm gonna have kind of like a charcuterie board style lunch thing, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna watch YouTube while I eat. I'm going to spend a little bit more time right now working on my bullet journal. I'm so happy that I have it and I'm so proud of what I've done in it so far. I'm going to show you everything I've done today in my bullet journal. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of what I've done so far. So I worked in like a planner section where I will kind of put in the homework I have that day, what events I have that day. And since this month started on Friday, I had this whole section empty. So I went ahead and put like a little month at a glance thing. And then I put some goals I have for this month. So then here's just kind of a whole planner section, which I'm pretty proud of. Next, I have this activity tracker. I saw this on Pinterest. So basically every day, I'll put on how long I did a specific activity, which is all color-coded here. So as you can see, I lifted for 30 minutes. Then for 5 minutes, I did some stretching. Final thing that I did today, I'm not done with January's section, but the final thing that I did today was this habit tracker, which I think is so cute. I have some habits that I want to start or some that I want to get more consistent with. I have dates, and then I'll put a little dot on each date when I do it, and this is going to turn out so cute as well. After journaling for a while, I watched some YouTube and then went downstairs and had dinner. Now I'm going to go get in the shower. Okay, so I finished my shower. I've done all my skincare, as you can see by these spots on my face. But I was just working on an article for the magazine that you guys have heard me talk about before. If you haven't, there's a magazine newspaper thing in my neighborhood that I write articles for. Anyways, I'm going to go head to bed right now. And that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. For a chance to get a shout out in the next video, share this video with one or more of your friends and let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy New Year! Bye!